Okay, one more thing we're going to talk about is where to find the degree symbol and how to save this to your H drive. Excel is not like Google Sheets. You cannot just close out of this and it will save it. If you close out of it, it will delete your work and you will not be able to find it. So you want to go to File and Save As. The first time you have to do Save As. After the first time, all you have to do is click Save. So you're going to go to this PC, double click that. You're going to find your H drive. You're going to look for your name and you'll see the H symbol. I would pick somewhere to put this that you know that you can find it. I have many folders. If you want to call it graphing, biology, either of those is going to be fine. I'm going to save it in my biochemistry folder, and I'm going to put graphing examples, and then you're going to click save. You can see the name up here has changed. So now it'll just keep saving every so often, but if not, whenever I make a change and I want to save it, I just click this. Okay, so you've learned how to save it. So we're going to look at how to find the degree symbol. A lot of times people will just leave out the degree symbol, but remember, for it to be degrees, it has to have that degree symbol. So don't be lazy. You got to find the degree symbol. So I would click where I want to put it. Once again, I'm clicking in these chart tools. Sorry, I'm not in chart tools. I'm just on insert. So when I go to symbols, and I'm looking for a symbol. So mine happened to pop up where the degrees actually are located. So you can see it has degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit. I don't see just the degree little symbol in this area. So the character code is 2109. So if you would like to copy that down, you can just type that in that area. You're going to click on this and you're going to click insert. It's going to look like nothing happened, but if you keep clicking it, it's going to keep popping up over here. So you can see that it has popped up in my title. So I'm just going to click close, and I can go back and delete the other F that I had there. So now I have my degrees Fahrenheit symbol. So that's how to save it and how to add the degree symbol.